Well, I'm gonna sing "I'll Be There" by Tiffany Haddish. Hope you like it and comment if I can't sing because I really need to know. Yeah. Um. You're sleeping on the ground. See you screaming with no sound. When your blanket starts to wear, I'll be there. See you peeking every night. Mama's beating, don't know why. When your days begin to share, I'll be there. I'll be times when you feel all alone. Forced to find your way to worlds unknown. Baby, don't be scared. I'll be there. I'll be there through the rough winds and rain nights.
I'll be there.
When the night falls and trouble rise.
I'll be there.
When you need me, never know how or when. My friend, I'll be there. Bleeding with no sounds, goodbye letters on the ground. When no one's whispered their ears, I'll be there. On the backed up on the wall, on the failure.